how Todoist helps manage ADHD, a game changer for productivity. Managing ADHD can feel like juggling 100 thoughts at once. Between forgetfulness, time blindness, and difficulty prioritizing tasks, staying on top of responsibilities can be overwhelming. Todoist is a powerful task management app that offers structure and clarity, helping individuals with ADHD regain control of their daily lives. Why Todoist works for ADHD brains. Let's discover why Todoist is an effective tool for managing tasks with ADHD. Its intuitive design and features cater to unique cognitive needs. ADHD affects executive functioning, making it hard to plan, organize, and complete tasks efficiently. Todoist is designed to counteract these challenges with a simple yet highly customizable interface. Here's how it supports ADHD management. First, Todoist can break down overwhelming tasks. One of the biggest struggles for ADHD individuals is tackling large tasks. Todoist allows you to break big projects into smaller, more manageable steps, reducing the feeling of being overwhelmed. You can create a main task, then add subtasks to guide you through the process step by step. Second, Todoist make prioritization easy. ADHD brains often jump between tasks without a clear sense of priority. With Todoist's priority flagging system, you can assign levels of urgency to tasks, ensuring that the most important ones don't get lost in the shuffle. 3. Time blindness? No problem. Struggling with time management is common for those with ADHD. Todoist's due dates and recurring reminders help keep you accountable. Whether it's a deadline for work or remembering to pay a bill, Todoist ensures that important tasks don't slip through the cracks. You can even set reminders based on location, prompting you when you arrive at a certain place. 4. Customizable labels and filters. Sorting tasks into different categories is a game changer. With labels and filters, you can create views tailored to your workflow. Sorting tasks into different categories is a game changer. With labels and filters, you can create views tailored to your workflow. Need to see all work-related tasks at a glance? Or perhaps a list of errands to complete while out? Todoist makes it easy to organize your life in a way that works best for your ADHD brain. 5. Gamification for motivation. Many people with ADHD thrive on external motivation. Todoist's streak system and karma points turn task completion into a rewarding experience. The more tasks you check off, the higher your karma score climbs, giving you a sense of achievement and encouraging consistency. 6. Collaboration without chaos. ADHD can make it difficult to stay on top of shared responsibilities. Whether it's a group project at work or coordinating household chores, Todoist allows for seamless collaboration by assigning tasks to others, adding comments, and sharing progress, all in one place. Final thoughts, is Todoist right for you? While no app is a one-size-fits-all solution, Todoist offers a structured yet flexible system that caters well to the ADHD mind. Its ability to break down tasks, set reminders, and provide visual organization makes it a valuable tool for boosting productivity and reducing stress. If you struggle with organization and time management, give Todoist a try. You might just find it's the missing piece in your ADHD toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 6564-6533 or 8614-7651 or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.